Dear Zlancers, in today's tutorial, we will learn how to add or remove team members on the Zlance ERP Center to build effective team collaboration. To proceed with that, click on Login, enter your username and password, and press the Login button. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will see your connected business displayed at the top in the header section and the ERP Center below that. If none of business is connected to your account and the ERP Center is not appearing, then first upgrade your account to a business account. For details regarding account upgrading, please watch the tutorial titled How to Upgrade Account to Business Account. If everything is in place, then click on ERP Center and click on Team Management in this section. Once you are inside the Team Management section, you can view already connected team members and their assigned roles in your business. Furthermore, to add a new member to your business, click on the plus icon. Remember, only registered users can be added to your team, so if your team member does not yet have an account, ask them to sign up first. If the member you are adding already has an account, then enter his or her registered email and click on the Verify button. If verified in the Zlance database, the team member's profile picture along with account name and account serial ID will appear in the confirmation window. A verification code will also be sent to your team member's registered email for consent and approval. Ask them to share the verification code with you and enter it in the provided field. Next, select the business role as admin account if you want to give full access, manager account with access less than admin but more than BS account, or BS account, which is referred to the buyer and seller account with limited access restricted to sales terminals. For more detail, you can also enter the team member's national ID or passport number along with remarks. Once done, click on Proceed to add the new member. After completion, remind your team member to log out and log back in again to activate changes. Otherwise, the business will not appear on their dashboard. Once completed, the member is now active and visible in the team member section with their respective role.
In order to remove any member from your team, search for that member and click on Show More Options. Here you can see the option to remove the team member. Click on Remove from Team and confirm by clicking Yes, and the member will be removed successfully. Remember, changes take effect only when the removed member logs out and logs back in again, after which your business will be disconnected from their account. Join and collaborate to boost your business only on Zlance.